Hi and welcome back to Liana's kitchen. In today's video I'm making a chicken and potato soup in the Ninja soup maker using the chunky soup setting. So first of all I added the onion and garlic to the soup maker jug and used the chop function to slice them up really small. I peeled the potatoes for this soup and then cut them up into small even sized chunks before adding them to the soup maker. The carrots were also peeled and chopped and added too. Next I prepared the chicken by cutting up some boneless chicken thighs. I added some dried thyme and rosemary and a little ground black pepper. Finally, I poured in some chicken stock. So next, put the lid on and then switch the soup maker on and press the chunky setting. But before we check on the final result, did you know you can also find this recipe on my blog, Liana's Kitchen? Either click the link in the description down below or search for Liana's Kitchen and you'll find me. There are around 100 more soup maker recipes available for free on the blog, or you can buy one of my soup maker recipe books. Details are in the link below. And now back to this soup. When it has finished its cycle and the Ninja does its customary beep to let you know, you can carefully remove the lid and check the consistency. When I use the chunky setting, I like to use the pulse button a couple of times to change the texture. But that's just a personal preference. So serve the soup into bowls and you could optionally stir in some fresh chopped parsley or add your favourite soup topping. You can add other vegetables to this soup too. As an example, I wanted to add celery too, but I didn't have any. As with lots of soups, this one is a great one for using up any vegetables you have hanging about. I hope you've enjoyed this chicken and potato soup in the Ninja soup maker. Don't forget to check out the other recipes on my channel and let me know in the comments what your favourite soup is. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.